How to create a new Messenger account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin, and today I'll guide you on how you can create a new Messenger account. Now, to create a new Messenger account, you can either sign up using your phone number or use your Facebook account. Now, to sign up with phone number, what you can do is simply open up the Messenger app. Now here I have various accounts logged in, so it won't give me the option, but if you simply reinstall the Messenger app and open it up, it will give you the option to log in, right? Then you want to select the option not on Facebook. Then you want to enter your name, phone number, and keep a profile photo, and boom, you are logged in. However, if you want to sign up with a Facebook account, you can open up the Facebook app and log in by creating a new account. You can create a dummy account and then you can simply log into Messenger. If you don't get the option to log in with phone number, then once you're logged into Messenger, what you can do is you can simply deactivate your Facebook account. And while deactivating your account, what you can do is you can use the option keep on using Messenger even when your account is deactivated. So this is how you can easily create a new Messenger account. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.